Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cover weekly current affairs from 12th April 2020 to 18th April 2020. Now we will start with a motivational quote. Your desire to change must be greater than your desire to be the same. Now we will proceed further with weekly quiz. Where is the Anak Krakatau volcano located, which recently has witnessed longest eruption? The answer is Indonesia. Next slide. Which organization met first time to discuss COVID-19 impact? The answer is UNSC. Home Ministry has directed the Border Security Force to enhance vigil along the Indian borders with which countries? The answer is Pakistan and Bangladesh. Who has assured financial help support of USD 2.2 billion to India in its fight against the COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is ADB. What is India's ranking in FIFA's ranking 2020? 108. Next question. Which space company has received the contract of NASA to ferry cargo and supplies to the agency's proposed lunar space station? The answer is SpaceX. How much emergency response fund has been approved by the central government to states? The answer is 15,000 crore. Next question. Recently, for the first time in 144 years, which administration has decided to hold the biannual shifting of the capital? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. The National Innovation Foundation has developed which indigenous herbal medicine to treat worm? The answer is Wormivet. Next question. International Day of Human Space Flight is observed in which date? The answer is 12th April. What is the theme of World Homeopathy Day 2020? The answer is enhancing the scope of homeopathy in public health. Next question. World Homeopathy Day is celebrated every year on April 10. Next question. Rifat Chadirji, known as the father of modern Iraqi architecture, dies in which country from coronavirus? The answer is UK. Next question. Madhuvan Gajar was developed by the farmer scientist Vallabhbhai Vasrambhai Marvania is biofortified variety of which fruit or vegetable? The answer is carrot. Next question. Who is the face of RBI's Twitter campaign to adopt digital modes of payments? The answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Next question. Name the Indian state or union territory which launched Operation Shade in containment areas against coronavirus. The answer is New Delhi. Next question. Which channel has emerged as the highest watched channel in India? The answer is Doordarshan. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of General Insurance? The answer is Anamika Roy. Recently, John Prince passed away due to coronavirus complication. He was a famous singer. Name the university which has launched world's first COVID-19 government response tracker. The answer is University of Oxford. Yukti portal is launched by Ramesh Pokhariyal. G20 Energy Ministerial Virtual Meeting held at which place? The answer is Saudi Arabia. Name the small finance bank which launched digital banking platform named DigiGen. The answer is Jana Small Finance Bank. Next question. Every home, a school, every parent is teacher initiative started by New Delhi. Next question. Name the Indian ministry which has launched Bharat Padhe online campaign. Ministry of HR and Development. Name the railway station which is first in Indian Railways to install sanitizing tunnels. The answer is Ahmedabad Railway Station. Name the Indian former RBI governor who has been part of IMF's first member external advisory group. The answer is Raghuram Rajan. Shanti Hiranand, who passed away in April 2020, is classical singer. The Pakistan government requested the $1.4 billion loan, a fast disbursing loan under the RFI fund to deal with the adverse economic impact of COVID-19. R in RFI stands for rapid. Recently, India has sent a consignment of 5,022 metric tons of wheat via Chabahar port to which of the following country? Afghanistan. Prasar Bharati has launched a new channel specifically dedicated to all classics named as DD Retro. Who is the current chairman of KVIC? The answer is VK Saxena. Puthandu is mainly observed in state of Tamil Nadu. The People's Bank of China has bought 1.01% stake in which bank? The answer is HDFC Bank. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's anniversary is to be celebrated on which date? The answer is 14th April. Next question. Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog and NIC have jointly launched which program in Atal Tinkering Labs for creating modifying 3D designs? The answer is Collab CAD. Next question. ICMR approved which drug against coronavirus? Remdesivir. Which state became the first state to start pool testing of coronavirus? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which state government recently asked ICMR for clinical trial of BCG? The answer is Maharashtra. Name the Indian state which has launched Food Bank initiative with the theme Help and Hunger Today for Poor and Needy People. The answer is Manipur. Who is appointed as the brand ambassador of JPL campaign title Leave It Real, Leave It Raw? The answer is Sara Ali Khan. Yes Bank has increased his banker issuance with which life insurance company? The answer is Max. Who has launched Humsafar mobile app for doorstep diesel delivery? The answer is Santosh Gangwar. Who is the Director General of the World Health Organization? The answer is Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Next question. Which nation has approved the sale of Harpoon missiles and torpedoes to India? The answer is US. Which Indian ministry has launched the webinar series named Dekho Apna Desh? The answer is Tourism Ministry. Next question. Name the Indian cricketer who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of PokerStar India. MS Dhoni. Name the multilingual science communication initiative launched by Government of India. COVID Gyan. Which event has been rescheduled for August 29, 2020? Tour de France. Which Indian cricket player was named the brand ambassador of Dubai's Cricket Academy Cricket Kingdom? Rohit Sharma. Which country has conducted general election amid COVID-19 outbreak? South Korea. Friends, if you like my video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.